Hey Ben, welcome to Skydive Utah.
Thank you.
You ready to jump out of a plane from 13,000 feet?
Better believe it.
We're gonna be falling for about 60 seconds. You nervous at all?
Never.
Never? You're ready to get up and out, aren't you? All right, we'll see you up there. Give me a good smile. Welcome back to Earth, my friend.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I'm glad you survived it.
That was awesome.
Glad we all did. What was your favorite part?
Almost blacking out in the free fall.
Very nice.
Oh, watch your socks.
Thanks for joining us at Skydive Utah.
Thank you.